Good afternoon, my fellow South Sudanese American who will be voting this year in this important election. Today, a thought about election day. Tuesday, November 3rd, is an important day in America. It is election day, the day on which we as a nation choose our leaders for the coming years. Most important is the election for the President of the United States. This is a contest of great importance, not only for Americans, but for the world. The person residing in the White House affects not only the way the United States is governed and how Americans live, but also much that happens in the rest of the world. Leadership from Washington has an impact in our homeland of South Sudan. During the Obama years, many of us were disappointed. We had hoped that he would do more. Still, he did hold his ground when it came to the referendum that gave us independence. Now, we have a contest between Trump, who has done little for our country during the past 4 years, and Biden, who is likely to return to the Obama policies. At least with Biden, we can expect that President Salva Kiir and First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar will be pressured into holding an election at the end of the revitalized Transitional Government of National Unity. From Trump, we can expect more pressure from the Christian right, a pressure that will be contrary to traditional tribal practice and religions, and which assuredly harm our Muslim brothers and sisters. Yes, Christian groups did contribute to our independence, and many of us had become Christian and were already Christian. Still, maintaining South Sudan as a secular state is important. This is an important election, and all Americans should vote. Those of us who came from South Sudan and are now American citizens should think about our motherland as we fill out our ballot. Please fulfill your duty by voting, and thank you very much. My name is Deng Mayiga Tim, South Sudanese American.